My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 29. In this lecture, we will try to understand, locate the network range. Network range information assists attackers in creating map of the target network. We can find the range of IP address. Using what? Using ARIN. ARIN. Who is database search tool? Then what is this ARIN? We will try to understand what does it mean. What is ARIN? ARIN means what? American Registry for internet numbers. We will try to understand what is ARIN in future classes in detailed manner. Time being, let me say, you can find range of IP addresses and subnet mask. Not only range of IP addresses, you can also find subnet mask. What is the subnet mask? I will discuss in detail about the subnet mask in my future classes. Time being, just understand, you can find the range of IP addresses and subnet mask used by the target organization from Regional Internet Registry, RIR, Regional Internet. I can say RIR means what? Regional Internet Registry. We will try to understand, as I told you, I will explain in detailed manner with appropriate illustration about what is the subnet mask in my future classes. Time being, just let me say, there is particular website iplocation.net. What will it give? It gives IP address details. Here, this is IP location finder. Here you can give IP4, IP6 or domain name. Just press this IP lookup. What type of information will you get? You will get IPv6 address, something like this. IP4 address, you will get IP location, for example, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, something like that. ISP, what is this ISP? What does it mean? ISP means Internet Service Provider. That is ISP, isn't it? Internet Service Provider. It's basically, what is ISP? It's a company. ISP basically a company. What is the purpose of this company? Company that provides individuals and organizations access to the internet. It provides individuals or organizations access to the internet. And other related services. Isn't it? Now, we will try to understand one by one. There is something like proxy. For example, for ISP, he is giving Reliance Jio Information Communication Limited, something like platform. Platform is operating system. What it says, Windows 10. Browser, it is saying that something like Chrome browser, isn't it? Something like user agent, Mozilla. Screen size, just see, it also gives screen size, isn't it? Cookies, JavaScript. Is JavaScript enabled or not? Is cookies are enabled or not? You will get lot of information. Just I request you to browse this one. I request you to explore this one. Once if you explore, you will get different information. In the case of this iplocation.net, let me say I entered www.tirumala.org. If I said tirumala.org and if I press IP lookup, what happens? Just we will try to understand. Just see here, you will get domain name. What it says, it gives so much of information. Geolocation data from IP2 location. This is updated on 22/6/1 and domain name tirumala.org, country India, region Andhra Pradesh, city Tirupati, ISP Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, organization, land, latitude, longitude. You will get different sort of information related to this. Let me go to this particular website and we will try to check this one. Just see, this is IP location.net. In this IP location.net, if I say tirumala.org, I will get this one. Just see here what we have something like IP2 location. If I press IP2 location, what will you get? Just see, you will get IP2 location. Just explore this particular website. You will get so much of information. Just try to log in and register and try to understand things related to IP2 location. In similar manner, just see geolocation data from ipinfo.io. This is a website, ipinfo.io. Just go to ipinfo.io. Here you have to sign up free. Just if you sign up free, you will get lot of information related to network range information. You can understand different free fields from this one. You can see just so much, just see data from DBIP product API. Just click this one. Just click. Just as I told you, you have to explore IP geolocation API database. Try to free. Try for free. Just sign in or register in these websites. Certainly, you can understand many things related to network range information, and also you can understand map of the target network. You can find range of IP addresses using ARIN-Whois database search tool. You can find range of IP addresses, not only range of IP addresses, you can also find subnet mask. As I told you, I will discuss about subnet mask in detailed manner in my future classes. Thank you very much.